Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how I put the finishing touches on this wine caddy. Alright, so I got the sanding done on the two caddies. Now the tops are level. So now I'm going to put a final layer of stain on the places where I've sanded, and I might do some touch-ups on the outside. Alright, so I got my sander out and I'm going to sand the ends of the dowels. I did a rough cut with the hacksaw, and I want to make sure the edges are not sharp and that they are perfectly straight. Alright, so now it's time for the other side. Now we're all set. I got the dowels all sanded up and nice and smooth, so we're going to insert those, and then I have a little tester wine bottle. We got nothing in it, but we're going to make sure that each slot is the right length. So it is a tight fit, but that's exactly what I want so that this does not come out. You can see I have an overhang of about 3/4 of an inch on each side, so that it just adds a little to the aesthetic. We're going to get the other one. Alright, there you go. So we got both wine caddies with the dowels locked in. So now we're going to just test them. Okay, that one's good. Good and good. So I had to do some calculations here in order to see how much of an overhang I needed to have. For this, I have about 2.5 inches on center of the dowel up. Therefore, when I do lift it out, it has enough room to go down underneath the dowel. If I had the dowel lower, when putting it in, the top would hit. The top of the wine bottle would hit the dowel, and it wouldn't be able to get in there. And it also gives you some room because the cork does go a little higher. It gives you room. I have a nice oak dowel here, and it'll actually hold a lot of weight. So having 3 wine bottles that are full is not a problem. And there you go. 2 wine caddies. Thanks for watching. See you next time.